Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something exciting to unbox: the Kieslect Pro Kieslect. This smartwatch is packed with features that cater to both fitness enthusiasts and everyday users. Let's dive right in. Opening the box, we're greeted with a sleek and modern design. It's available into elegant colors, black and silver, giving you options to match your style. Whether you're hitting the gym or heading outdoors, this watch has the right mode for you. Now, let's talk battery life. With a 300 mAh battery, you can expect around 2 hours of theoretical charging time, providing 3.5 to 6.5 days of typical usage. Even with heavy usage, it can last 2.5 to 4.5 days. And in battery saver mode, you can extend it up to an impressive 10 days. Taking a look at the specifications, it measures 46.7 by 38 by 10.2 millimeters and weighs 35.1 grams without the strap, or 59.8 grams with it. It boasts a slim metal body that feels premium in your hand. Its Pro Kieslect features a vibrant AMOLED display, measuring to 0.01 inches with a crisp resolution of 410 by 502 pixels. The high hardness glass ensures durability, even in active lifestyles. One standout feature is the always-on display, allowing you to check the time and notifications at a glance. It's a handy addition for convenience. Now let's talk about health tracking. This smartwatch comes equipped with a PPG sensor for accurate heart rate monitoring, sputum monitoring, and even breath training to help you manage stress. With these features, you can keep a close eye on your well-being throughout the day. The Kieslect Pro Kieslect is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, and it connects seamlessly via Bluetooth 5.2. This ensures quick and stable connections. Whether you're an Apple or Android user, this smartwatch has you covered. For fitness enthusiasts, the Kieslect Pro Kieslect offers an impressive array of sports modes, a total of 100 to be exact. From running to yoga, it's got you covered for all your workout needs. And there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing and review of the Kieslect Pro Kieslect. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more videos. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.